and we are checking up on this customer, and they had mentioned they heard noises, and sure enough the raccoon broke back in. This was an area we had quoted them and told them it should have been done. You know what, things happen, but we're here today to seal this back up. Hope y'all can see this. So yeah, we got 18.5 inches right there. Okay, so we're gonna get some screen cut for this. 18.5, and we're gonna go up about 3 feet so it's hidden in here. All right. One, 2, 3 times 4 inches is 12. Now, for everybody watching, this area that I'm about to screw is about 3.5 to 4 inches. So I can barely fit in here. This is what we deal with. That should hold that there. Be gentle. Perfect. There we go. Can't forget our secret caulking. This stuff is great. We'll make sure we seal all holes. There we go. There we go. Yeah. This is one of the harder areas to get into when you're working at about 5 inches and your shoulders are hitting the top here and you can't go any further. So just a everyday occurrence for us.